When do you usually wake up on Mondays?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
How do you feel when the alarm rings?
I feel a little sleepy and slow.
What is the first thing you do?
I turn on my motivational audio.
Do you stay in bed for a while?
No, I try to stand up fast.
Why do you get up immediately?
It helps me start the day right.
Where do you go first in your home?
I go to the kitchen for water.
Is it quiet in your house then?
Yes, the house is very silent.
Can you hear the traffic outside?
I can hear cars in Seattle.
Who else is awake at that time?
Only my cat is awake now.
Which room is your favorite in the morning?
I love sitting in the living room.
What do you usually drink first?
I drink a cup of hot coffee.
How does the coffee taste today?
It tastes strong and very good.
Does caffeine help you wake up?
Yes, it gives me good energy.
Where do you sit to drink it?
I sit on my soft sofa.
Are you ready to start the day?
I feel ready to work hard.
Could you skip your morning coffee?
No, I need it every morning.
Who do you text in the morning?
I text my sister to say hello.
When do you turn on your audio?
I start listening while I eat breakfast.
Why do you listen to motivational content?
It makes me feel happy and strong.
Will you listen to a book today?
Yes, I am listening to a book.
What are you listening to right now?
I am listening to Atomic Habits.
How did you find this audiobook?
I found it on a book app.
Did a friend recommend it to you?
My colleague told me about it.
Where did you buy the audiobook?
I bought it online last month.
Was it expensive to purchase?
It cost about $15.
Can you listen while you dress?
Yes, I listen with my headphones.
Who is the author of the book?
The author is James Clear.
Have you read his other books?
No, this is my first one.
Which chapter is the most interesting?
The chapter on small changes is best.
Do you take notes while listening?
I write down the important ideas.
What is the main topic of Atomic Habits?
It is about building good daily habits.
How does it change your daily life?
I exercise more often now.
Does it teach you about discipline?
Yes, discipline is the key message.
Is it easy to understand the advice?
The advice is very simple and clear.
Why is building habits so hard?
Changing our behavior is very difficult.
Would you suggest it to a beginner?
I would tell everyone to read it.
What is one bad habit you have?
I check my phone too much.
How do you plan to stop it?
I will leave it in another room.
Did you fail at this before?
I tried and failed many times.
Where do you keep your phone now?
I put it inside my desk drawer.
What happens if you check it often?
I lose my focus on work.
How much time do you waste?
I waste about 1 hour daily.
Do you feel guilty about it?
Yes, I feel bad about it.
Is it better to hide the phone?
Out of sight is much better.
Can you focus without it nearby?
My mind is clearer without it.
Who helps you stay focused today?
Motivational speakers help me stay focused.
When do you feel most productive?
I work best in the morning.
Why is the morning the best time?
My brain is fresh and rested.
Will you finish the book soon?
I will finish it this weekend.
What will you listen to next?
I will listen to a biography.
How do you commute to your job?
I take the bus to work.
Does the traffic bother you much?
Traffic is bad on Monday mornings.
Where is your office located?
I work at Bright Future Designs.
Are your colleagues nice to you?
They are friendly and very creative.
Could you work from home instead?
I prefer working in the office.
Who is your manager at the office?
My manager is named Mr. Smith.
Has he ever criticized your work?
He gave me feedback last week.
Which project are you working on?
I am designing a new logo.
Do you enjoy being a designer?
I love creating beautiful things.
What do you like about design?
It allows me to express myself.
How do you handle a creative block?
I take a walk to think.
Did you ever make a big mistake?
Yes, I sent the wrong file.
Was the client angry with you?
He was unhappy but understanding.
Can you describe what happened?
I used the wrong color code.
Who fixed the problem in the end?
I fixed it and resent it.
When did this mistake happen?
It happened 2 months ago.
Why did you miss that detail?
I was rushing to finish quickly.
Would you do things differently now?
I will always double-check my work.
What did you learn from that day?
Accuracy is more important than speed.
How do you check your work now?
I review everything 3 times.
Do you use a checklist today?
Yes, I use a printed list.
Where do you keep your notes?
I keep them in a notebook.
Is it helpful to write things down?
Writing helps me remember the details.
Could you recommend a good notebook?
Most kind notebooks are very good quality.
Who inspired you to be organized?
The book inspired me to organize.
Have you seen The Pursuit of Happiness?
Yes, it is my favorite movie.
Which actor plays the father?
Will Smith plays the main role.
Does the movie make you cry?
I cry every time I watch.
What is your favorite scene in it?
The scene in the subway station.
How does the father protect his son?
He holds him while he sleeps.
Did they sleep in a bathroom once?
Yes, they had nowhere else to go.
Where was that bathroom located?
It was inside a train station.
Was it a sad moment for them?
It was heartbreaking to watch.
Can you imagine being that poor?
It is hard to imagine that.
Who helped them in the movie?
Nobody helped them in that moment.
When did he finally get the job?
He got the job at the end.
Why did he run so much?
He was always late for meetings.
Will you watch it again someday?
I plan to watch it soon.
What does the movie teach you?
Never give up on your dreams.
How do you apply that lesson?
I keep trying when things are hard.
Do you ever feel like giving up?
Sometimes I feel very tired.
Where do you go to relax?
I go to the Daily Grind Cafe.
Are you going to the cafe today?
I will go there for lunch.
Could I come with you later?
Sure, we can walk together.
Has the cafe changed its menu?
They have new snacks this week.
Which food do you usually buy?
I buy an energy bar usually.
Did you bring your wallet today?
Yes, I have cash with me.
What is your goal for tomorrow?
I want to finish my project.
How will you achieve that goal?
I will work steadily all day.
Do you believe in yourself now?
Yes, I know I can succeed. My channel has 100 plus practice videos just like this. Tap my profile now, subscribe, and let's improve your English together every single day.